Today I'll show you how to send Microsoft Forms responses directly to your email so you never miss a submission and can follow up quickly and efficiently. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your form in Microsoft Forms. You can do this by signing into your Microsoft account, going to the Microsoft Forms homepage, and choosing the form you want to work with from your list of existing forms. Make sure you're opening the correct form, especially if you have several that look similar. Once it's open, you should see the form editor, where you can add or edit questions and customize settings. Next, look toward the top of the page for two main areas, one labeled for editing questions and another labeled for viewing responses. Click on the tab that says Responses. This is where Microsoft Forms gathers all the answers that people submit. You'll see a summary of responses, and if your form has already been used, you might see charts, counts, or individual responses displayed here. This tab is essentially your dashboard for everything that comes in through the form. From here, you have two main options for getting those responses to your email using built-in email notifications or connecting the form to Power Automate for more advanced control. For many simple scenarios, enabling email notifications is the quickest option. Look for an option within the responses area or sometimes in the form settings that mentions notifications for new responses. When you turn this on, Microsoft Forms will automatically send an email to the form owner every time someone submits a response. This is perfect if you just need a quick heads up in your inbox whenever a new entry comes in without any complicated rules or extra steps. However, if you want more flexibility, such as sending emails to multiple people, customizing the email content, or including detailed response data in a specific format, you'll want to connect the form to Power Automate. Power Automate is a Microsoft tool that lets you build automated workflows between different services. To use this approach, look for an option to open in Power Automate or create a flow from your form. This usually starts a template that recognizes your form as the trigger. In Power Automate, set the trigger to when a new response is submitted for your specific Microsoft form. Then add an action that sends an email. This action can use Outlook or another email service connected to your Microsoft account. When you set the action to send an email, you'll choose who should receive it, what the subject line should be, and what the message body will contain. You can insert dynamic content from the form, such as the responder's answers, directly into the email. This makes the notification much more informative and lets you see the key details right from your inbox without opening Microsoft Forms each time. Once your action is configured, save the flow in Power Automate and make sure it's turned on. From that point forward, every time someone submits a response to your form, the workflow will run and automatically send the email you set up. And that's it. By opening your form, going to the Responses tab, turning on simple email notifications or using Power Automate, and setting the action to send an email when a response is submitted, you can keep all your Microsoft Forms activity flowing straight into your inbox.